You give me $50. If you win, I give you $50.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sherise here, back with another video. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to like, comment and share. Like share, and follow me on all socials at Sherise _ on Twitter. Now we're not in on the bag of long talking, so let's get into this video. By the title, I will be doing the 100 nugget challenge with my sister Sherise, and our rules are whoever drinks water first or whoever has the most amount will lose, and the other person obviously will win. So we don't know who the winner is already. Like, I am right here. Why are you searching for her? I am right here. So that being said, let's bring Sherise in and let's get into. Okay guys, so we have my sister here, and she claimed that she's going to win.
My fans all across the world.
Alright, yeah, push it. So we have 50 over here, 50 right here, and we're gonna see who can eat in 10 minutes. We even have a timer? Let me get a timer. Okay guys, so the sauce that I will be using, sweet and sour, and honey mustard, of course. And I'm gonna probably try the spicy buffalo. I think Sherise is using the same. Oh, she's using ranch as well too.
Yeah.
Yep. So those are the sauce that I will be using. So let's get it open. You like a spicy buffalo? You like it?
I didn't see.
You never. Ready?
No.
You think they're going?
Yes.
But you're saying already.
It's okay. I'm gonna win. Sherise never. Never.
Alright, Sherise.
Never.
Alright, Sherise. Don't put none over your saying. No. Alright guys, so I'm about to set the timer. It should be 10 minutes and 59 seconds. That would be one full 10 minutes, right? Yeah. So guys, I'm gonna set it for 10 minutes and 59 seconds. Starting now. It starts.
I'm going to win, so.
You're confident, man. And whoever drink first, okay? Yeah, I think you're going. Alright. Beat up my chest. Slow and easy wins the race. I like the honey mustard.
Yeah, that's a lot of things tonight.
Nothing, we can do this. Again. Guys, comment down below. Team Sherise or Team Sherise?
Team Sherise.
Team Sherise.
want to buy two?
Good. You want to drink some water? This is dry. This is so dry.
How would this sauce is dry? No, better for it.
For me too. I wonder they normally just give you 6 nuggets. I may do this. I may really do this.
Challenge your one, challenge it.
Take it easy, it's fine. Just sure you're nervous.
Make a sandwich.
You ever try ranch?
First match left.
First? Want to say my for try?
No. Maybe not.
Sherise. Me not drink no water. Guys, this is really hard.
Take it first if I want.
No, you take it first, sugar water. Please. Not show me. Don't show me.
Every nugget when we eat stuff right here, so I
Mm-hmm.
need something to wash it down. You done.
Drink your water. So drink your water.
Why?
You have to keep on eating. Drink your water. Like, you give up.
Let's say who eating most after
You have 2 ways to win. If me drink, and if you have less.
after what? 10 seconds you put it on?
10 minutes. What's that? I don't remember what the timer. 5 minutes, 7 seconds. Alright.
Really?
I really don't remember what the timer. Did not remember. Me say you eat slow and nice.
And I chat to you. Don't talk to me on
Right?
distraction.
Go over there. Sherise, stop everyone. No, stop. Nah, please.
How much you put, Remy? How much you press put over here? How much you put?
Ow. I can't remember your fun.
That's something I make people kill people, you know.
Please, stop, man. Oh my god. I like nuggets, but I don't like smut.
Kids do not try this at home.
Only if you're really hungry. Not even then. You know.
I'm going to regret this. This is going against my diet. Why are you promising that?
First, we have a few more seconds.
The power on that, girl.
Okay, Sherise. That. Okay.
I'm starting today. I'm going to break a diet already.
What?
Say that what we doing. No! Sorry for win. Oh, look. You're going to stop. It's not true. It's not true.
5 minutes. 5 minutes.
I really want to tell my work. I can't know. It's not work out for me. Drink your honey. A buffalo sauce. This.
I know what tastes nice. I know some just like me. Smells good things. I'm about 100 each. Why? It's sweet and so nice. What are you gonna do with the remaining nuggets then?
Just a hurt.
I'm trying to turn off our nuggets we were saying here. Drink the water. I don't want anything happen to you. Drink the water. Sherise, come on. Here, see your water here. Drink it. Drink it.
Win or win. Okay, my man. I'm gonna say you want to drink the water. You just drink the water.
I don't like you have nothing to lose. What you have to lose? What do you have to lose? Nothing. Cause it's not like it's a bet.
But we should do that. We should make a bet. We should make a bet. Make a bet now, no?
If me win, no. No. If you win, what?
If me win, you give me $50. If you win, I give you $50. Bet? Deal?
Me not know about the one day. Alright. Deal that $20.
Yeah, $20 can't do nothing for me. $20?
You can't pay. You can't pay. To get some water.
Yeah. To get water?
Mm-hmm.
You have a lot of water too?
You look so tired, just a hurt and you're not drinking water.
You know. Not for this cereal.
At this point, I knew I effed up.
Apart your phone?
I shake. Not funny. Cause you're gonna make people think you're gonna let people think I faculated and then
Huh?
you're gonna make people think that I poop and I didn't.
What kind of conversation this we have about where I eat?
Guys, anybody want free nuggets?
Sherise always win.
Comment down below. Team Serani, Team Siri, Team Siri,
Sherise always
Team Siri.
win.
And if you're with Team Siri, comment. Purple hearts.
If in the comment Team Sherise, check out the inbox for something special.
Yeah. Check your cash app for something special from
I want to
me.
win. Yes, I know. Yeah. In the comment Team Sherise. Okay?
Cash app. I'll send you guys $1.
That's how low she thinks of you guys.
No. You know, no. I would never.
How much time?
Still 5 minutes? No. Not time to say 5 or what? Depend on the time I am. Weird. You see? That's why I should have said you want extra time I know. I can't have 5 hours.
I'm going.
If I that be case, that means you have 57 seconds.
My heart hurt me.
Guys, I put it for 5 hours and 10 minutes. Whoops. So that means that we have 43 seconds left. We have 43. Sir. You feel the better. I'm gonna crap that out. Just a sec. Alright. 18. 17. 13.
Sorry.
20. Alright, we gotta do $6.
Me know man.
Me know. Right.
You done?
Mm-hmm. So really, we're gonna do a count now and see how much we have. Okay, guys.
We can't drink now?
Wait.
No. Yes.
How much you have?
How much you have?
How much you have?
Seems like a lot.
You see my plot.
Come, the person of the challenge after the channel interstate how much they have.
No, I go like
After 3, 1, 2, 3, 18. How much?
17.
23. 23. You didn't eat. You didn't eat. No, girl. No.
Wait, me
You're in a
miscount.
disgrace.
Me miscount. And you probably miscount too.
No. Me count 2 times.
4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 20.
Girl, remember did I eat?
Guys, I really
Girl,
tried.
remember did I try? Let me see I try over this.
Shut up, Sherise. You're not too far from me. How much is that? 19? How far 19 to front 23?
No, it's not 19, it's 18. 1 and then 8.
So how far 18 is from 23?
Far.
Anyways, guys, I really Okay.
That's why they say you have to manifest things in that. Because this is before this competition, I was like, I'm gonna win. I'm coming here now, bust the sweat. Yesterday who start late and all these things, people, and I won. I feel proud of myself. I want something. Come, reward me. I tell you, bet on $50. $50.
$20. At $20, may have one.
I will tell you, $20 can't do nothing for me.
It can do something for you.
Anyway.
For the 9 months I've carried you, rolling inside of me, no charge.
Okay, bye. Comment Team Sherise. Thank you.
Guys, comment Team Sherise.
Say hello.
Because regardless of the number, who really stood out in the end at the strong end? And that's all I have to say. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for staying tuned in to this video.
Shut up. That chat too much now. Shut up.
And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And follow me on all socials at HeySiri _ on Twitter. Bye! See you next weekend! Should I read the tree at them? But no.